Oh, what? A box out of nowhere. Where are we?
We're at somewhere called Rocky Balboa.
Balboa Skate Park.
Balboa Skate Park, here in the sunny San Francisco.
I don't think this works.
You guys got this.
I'm gonna try that again. Whoa, what is going on today? Oh my God.
Flex tape, strong, rubberized, waterproof tape, 4 inches wide, thick rubberized backing, even works underwater. I don't know why we need it to work underwater.
Is this the commercial where that guy saws a boat in half?
Yes.
See, what I wanted to do was saw a board in half and then tape it.
Why don't you just break a board in half and then tape it?
Well, let's skate this first and see how it works on the grip tape. It doesn't feel grippy at all.
At all, not in the slightest bit.
I wonder if it makes it impossible to break though. I guess we'll see. No holes for the trucks. This is gonna be the hardest thing ever. Where do you think the holes are? Right about there. Nope. Nope. All right. 2 screws or 4 screws?
6.
Yeah, you should have tested it on. Just put somebody on against the wall and see if it held them on there.
Well, it's not too late for that. My question is why do they sell this whole thing of tape, but it's barely any tape? There's barely any tape in there.
You know how much that is?
Like 30 bucks?
$12 for that single roll.
It's terrible.
I'd rather go to McDonald's.
This one hasn't been touched at all, right?
No, that's brand new.
This is
See?
brand new.
Yeah.
Do you see how much is on this? There's like nothing on there.
Daniel was saying that if you stick the tape together, like duct tape, you can't pull it apart. Like it's so sticky, you're not touching it.
Full wang dango. Oh no.
Ow!
You're really gnarly?
Yeah.
Ow. It actually hurts. Yeah.
Oh, you got
You're
you.
done. You're done. It's
Oh! Oh!
DNA.
Wow.
All right.
They can clone me
Well,
now.
here we have it. Braille Army. First try, kickflip off. You know I'm gonna win.
I think Nigel should by default go first. He has an innate
Kickflip off.
Kickflip off?
Go ahead.
Oh, it's a weird board.
It's a weird board?
It might work. This is tiny. What size is it? See?
Whoa. First try. Oh.
Whoa!
What do we got now? Heel flip off? No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, heel flip off. Okay, go. Dang it!
Oh my god!
The flex tape!
It kept it down.
I threw it really hard and it kept it down. I just made a video about not getting angry at the skate park. First trick, anger.
All right, here's my funky, weird heel flip. Woo! Oh!
Yeah.
Okay, Neen.
It's not too bad so far.
It's literally impossible to land a heel flip. Count it? First try? Go ahead, Nigel.
Yeah, it's not heel flippable.
Literally impossible.
Carlos just did it.
No, he didn't.
Carlos doesn't count. He's a robot. Nothing he does counts ever.
Except for his puns.
Yeah, sometimes.
Give us a pun on the flex tape.
Back to the Future, the best flex capacitor I've ever seen.
Can I go home?
Took me a minute. I'm flexing on this one. Fuck! Dang it! Yeah, imagine that, I'm last on the heel flip. Maybe if I try it not moving, I can land it. It's the flex grip tape, I swear. Ow, mother! I'm gonna break it, Gabe. I'm gonna break it.
You go ahead. We have flex tape to fix it.
That's what it was. I didn't get warmed up yet. Okay. Woo!
Compose yourself.
Oh my gosh! Carlos, give me a pro tip. Stanky leg.
Oh, first stanky leg try. Stanky leg down the double set. First try, flex tape.
Of course, that's what you think of.
Flex tape, first try. Ollie to firecracker the second step. That's what he's trying.
The end of Carlos.
The end of Carlos, he has now ended.
All right, who's got the rail?
I feel like it's very sticky. You know what? Send it!
Oh, he wasn't going for the rail.
Ow. What in the...
I'm willing to bet you $100 that Carlos is waxing the wheelbase right now.
$100 that Carlos is waxing wheelbase? No. Board slide.
So this is how mellow ours should be.
Yeah, we can make ours like this if you want. Yeah. We'll just send it into a 5-stair double stair.
Are you looking at Carlos trying to steal my trick right now?
What blasphemy is that?
All right, Nigel, good one. Good job, Nigel. Woo!
First try!
We should flex tape his shoes to the board and then make you guys go in the bowl.
No. How's that flex grip tape though? Like if you had to compare it to normal grip tape or maybe even, what do they call that stuff?
I might make a sponsor me.
Oh my. See, I wised out. I'm not gonna get hurt right now. Carlos, you got that. Carlitos, burritos, mojitos, ajocos, rojitos.
He's running right into the fence. If he would do the other side, he wouldn't hit the fence. He's just flexing.
It's not the worst thing I've seen.
Stop flexing.
Wow.
I should try a kickflip, huh?
Yeah.
No. I don't want to.
I gotta try it on there though.
Or we just make Carlos gap down the entire thing. Just kidding.
He has no problem in that. This is what he does. This is what he lives for. So we have the park local here. So what do you think about this?
I think you guys are crazy, but like it's kind of funny.
You heard it here first. Skate or die.
Skate or die.
Have you seen better?
Yes.
I got a trick challenge if you can flex this. Drop in over the pyramid and then launch off of that. Benihana to flat. If you got that, then you're my hero.
I can't Benihana.
What are you doing now?
Well, you took the board. Now you have to do it.
That's more or less a land, right?
Please, Nigel.
They're jumping like this high, and I'm jumping like this high. This is like Lance at Woodward. Oh! Landed! Count it! That was landed, right?
No.
That was landed!
Wow.
Wow.
What the fork?
Oh! Flex Armstrong!
Oh my God. Man, I didn't know you still had it in you.
Ah! I've been working on that and I haven't landed it, but I really want to land it.
Do it on the flex tape.
Nose grab back 3.
Just watch out for that.
Okay.
It's really getting sticky right there. Really sticky, yeah.
This is like the Braille house, but just not at the Braille house.
We need a launch at the Braille house. Let's build it.
Ow! I'm not skating that anymore. Was there a nail in it? It was that bolt then.
Oh, Nigel's blood.
Ow! I don't know, I just felt something just cut and open it up.
I hate
Gabe,
blood.
I can't handle blood.
No, I don't like blood either.
I mean, you gotta do that. I mean, it's like one-footed, underflip, grab, finger flip, airwalk, late shove.
God.
You got it! You got it! Just flex! What? No way.
Not harder than I remember.
That was incredible.
What do you think of the flex?
I think he was flexing. The world? No way! What? It won't break. It won't break.
It's a flex tape, bro.
Dude. First try! Go! No! I told you!
break it?
Yeah!
Oh!
Break it!
Oh.
It's the flex tape!
Dude, it's unbreakable.
Break it.
What the? Did you already crack it? No, what?
Oh, Carlos.
Here we go at 115 pounds! Carlos Lester! Ow! Ow! That was worse than the blood.
Flex tape!
Whoa. Oh, actually,
I'm fully convinced this is the world's strongest tape.
What if it's the world's strongest, like out of all the boards you ever made, this one is the strongest one you have?
Well, what I wanted to do was break it in half and then flex tape it back together and see if it works.
I don't think the flex tape's gonna let it break.
It won't even break to begin with. The park local Isaac has a good idea. Flex! Flex, Isaac!
Yeah, I'm exhausted standing here.
What in the
Whoa! I will break it! What?
Oh no, Carlos!
You gonna jump on
Carlos,
it?
no!
Don't jump on it. Don't jump on it. One leg.
Wait.
I'll do one leg.
Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it.
Yes! Okay. Now I think it's pretty broken.
Now we put it together again.
Yeah. Such an interesting break as well.
Oh look, now it's more my size.
When I did that 50-50, it was just...
Now it's more grip.
Wait, oh.
It is like a fruit roll-up.
How's the whole roll?
See, that's it. That's all you get for a roll right there.
Okay. Just like new. Drop in on the big ball first try? No way.
Yeah, Carlos.
Don't split on him, board.
Carlos.
Yep.
Oh!
Oh no, what?
Flex tape is invincible!
All right. Oh my God! What's wrong with these trucks? I mean, it works. All right, Kraylord.
Carlos. Oh!
It's gonna break.
Oh!
That was good.
Yeah!
First try! Are you impressed with this, Carlos?
Very. Surprised it held on together.
I'm very impressed as well. So here it goes, guys. If you do break your board somehow, it literally took like 300 stomps and 12 grown men to break the board in the first place. But if you had used the flex grip tape and somehow broken your board, maybe it got hit by a semi, 12 semis, then you could just tape it back together with another roll and it works like new. First try. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a blast to make, so I hope you had a blast watching it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Each and every single one of you. You are the best. Please click that subscribe button, click that like button, leave that comment below. You know what to do. Learn to skateboard. Boom.